So today I'd like to give a short overview of what we do in ML at the Swiss Federal Railway Company, because I assume most of you think we are just running trains, but there's a lot behind that, and we are looking at different projects and research where we can apply ML to our problems. Swiss Federal Railway Company is one of the main players in the public transport ecosystem in Switzerland, with roughly or a bit more than 10,000 train runs. We transport 1.2 million people and 210,000 tons of goods each day. This is what you also see visualized here. This is actual data from our train traffic in the year 2018. And of all these passengers, the vast majority of them arrive on time, and arriving on time in Switzerland means less than 3 minutes of delay. Now, predictions into the future indicate that the need for mobility will keep on growing, and we have predictions that it needs to grow up to 40% in certain areas, and also as technology evolves, the needs for customers evolve with that technology. I would now like to show you 3 projects that try to tackle the increase in mobility and the changing needs of our passengers. In order to be able to transport more people on the railway network we have outside, we have to drive closer between each train. And GPS is not reliable enough, so we're looking at research where we can use machine perception to perfectly localize the train exactly. In that sense, we can also move the trains closer together. Using machine perception also has the benefit of enhancing safety, because we can now also detect people or objects in the vicinity of the tracks. And as all the trains get equipped with visual inspecting tools, you can also look at all your infrastructure while you're running through, so you can improve your maintenance because you will early on already detect errors. If you get interested in this topic, Albert, a colleague of mine, will be talking about this in the AI and industry track tomorrow. Well, with more trains, there come more problems. So as your traffic becomes denser, you kind of need to manage it really cleverly to avoid delays propagating through your system. For this, we're researching a new traffic management system, and because the task is so complex, we decided to open up to the world and ask for help both on the academic world as well as in crowdsourcing with AI Crowd. And what you see here is actually one of the solutions to our task, where they had to solve the traffic management of hundreds of agents on different levels. We investigated both machine learning approaches and operation research classical approaches, as well as combinations. And if you'd like to hear more about some fascinating results, tomorrow in the challenge track there will be the 3 of the top 5 participants of the challenge presenting their solutions at the challenge track. Last but not least, we also want to make the journey more comfortable for our passengers. For this, we have implemented an augmented reality app for your phone, which will help you navigate the larger and more complicated train stations and serve as a digital assistant that helps you with your needs during your travel and at the train station. It can also provide you with further information about your train. as you can see, we have many different interesting projects. And there's a lot more going on at our company. We have more than 150 different job profiles where you can tackle different challenges of transportation today. And we are very international. The backgrounds of our employees are from more than 100 different countries around this globe. I think it's roughly like half of the countries that exist. And we're always looking for new motivated and talented employees. So if you're interested to see what you could do to help shape the future of the mobility with us, come visit us at our booth or go online to see what offerings we have. Thanks for your attention and enjoy this great conference.